This renovated 3-bedroom home has been repainted inside and out. The stylish country kitchen has been renewed with Blanco appliances, gas cooking and timber bench tops. The roomy lounge has brand new heavy-grade carpet, new split system and new slow combustion wood heater. Features include upgraded electrical wiring and meter box, restored iron roof and spacious north-facing sunroom, perfect for enjoying the summer months. Outside there is extensive character shedding in excellent condition, large undercover alfresco entertaining area and delightful low-maintenance gardens. 2 large well-drained paddocks with dam and great fencing, sealed road at the front. Broadband is available as well. There's school bus passing and general store nearby. This is a faultless package which will ideally suit those looking for a completed weekender or someone looking for a permanent residence in a delightful country setting. Be sure to book an inspection.
Hi, it's Bernie Massey from Harcourts Ballarat. Thank you for viewing the video tour of this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of our other listings, please don't hesitate to contact me on 04 38 39 68 77. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.